Alex from MCD Fitness and Nutrafarms. I'm going to show you how to make 18 meals in 57 minutes. Hey guys, I got some of my staples from Nutrafarms here. Pasture-raised chicken, grass-fed ground beef, wild-caught salmon. I'm going to show you how to turn this into a week's worth of meals in 1 hour. Let's get started. Nutrafarms chicken is actually higher in protein than your typical chicken breast you're going to find at the grocery store. We're keeping this super simple for you. Season however you like. Throw it in the oven. Use it with rice, or in salads, or however you like. So we're going to take our sweet potatoes here, we're going to put them on the pan, season them, and we're going to cook them for about 20 minutes or so. So here we got 3 pounds of grass-fed, grass-finished beef. You're looking at super high quality protein, higher omega-3s, really good fat profile. If you want to make some high quality gains, this is how you do it. Great part about this beef is we don't even have to strain it, it's so lean, so we're just going to mix in our 3 packs of taco seasoning. Guys, we're just going to add a little bit of salt and pepper to the salmon. For you guys, we're going to put the salmon right on the same tray. Cooks in about 10-15 minutes. This salmon is sushi grade, so it's alright to be a little bit moist. That's going to make for better reheating afterwards. So I'm going to aim for about 100 grams of rice or so with each meal. It doesn't have to be rice, it can be potato, it can be anything else. Okay, now we're going to do the same thing with the ground beef. Same thing, looking for about 100 grams or so. Alright, to finish up these burrito bowls, we're going to use some flash frozen non-GMO peaches and cream corn from Nutrafarms. This stuff is unreal, my favorite. We're going to pick the breast right up and we're just going to scissor it into the container. So I'm looking for 100 grams. This is the easiest way to get the perfect size. So we're going to add in our sweet potatoes. Alright, so we're going to finish up these chicken meals with some Brussels sprouts. Non-GMO, of course. Alright, we've got 6 meals left, 7 minutes on the clock. Let's make this happen. I'm just going to eyeball this because I know these 4 fillets have to make me 6 meals. You can feel free to add as much as you want here. And stop the clock. Alright, 18 meals. 3 minutes left, that's 57 minutes to cook 18 meals. If you got any questions about meal prep, check out mcdfit.com. Any questions about the product, nutrafarms.ca.